to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my good name is Purity. I do vlogs around lifestyle, traveling and anything in between. So in today's vlog, as you're seeing from the title, it is my updated single room house tour. I'm doing the tour of this house as I continue furnishing. I want us to grow together, so kindly stick with me. Subscribe if you haven't, leave a sweet comment, then don't forget to like, because when you like, it helps reach a lot of people and it helps YouTube recommend my videos. So let's begin with the video. Welcome to my home. This is the main door. At the door I have this beautiful sheer curtain that have really served me for quite some time. So I'll be going on this is my left side, so I'll be going left side until I come back to the main door. So here we have this beautiful plant. So here we have this flower that I was talking about, and behind that flower I have placed my shoes. These are my errand shoes, my daily shoes that I use daily. Then we have my mirror. It broke when I was moving to this house. That is my mirror, and I have that beautiful pampas grass that I got also from Stage Market. Then that is my wall. That is a plain wall. I'm thinking of getting decors, plain wall. So that is supposed to be my living space, but I don't have a TV, I don't have a new fab. It is just that way plain. Then going to, now from that side that I've shown you, we are going this side. We have that carton box. Let me come closer. The carton box, it contains my extra shopping. That's a picture of me with my uncle. Then that beautiful artificial plant, it's artificial, got it from Kilimall. That is the frame of me. Then now my kitchen space. In my kitchen space we have that utensil rack. Then my storage container. Down there is the maize flour. We have rice there. Then those are my utensils, as you can see. Then my gas and my cooking pots and the basin for washing. Then here we have that rack that I've stored onion and that egg. Hiyo ni ya kuwekea mai, lakini nimewekea onions and tomatoes. Have extra shopping there. Now coming this side, we have my window. That is my kitchen. From the kitchen we have that window. On the window we have placed my oil, my body oils are there, and my earrings. Then we have that plant. We have that plant, and that is it. The plants, all them I got from Stage Market. Then my favorite space is this space, which is now my bed area. Excuse me, let me first remove this is my bed area. That's where I sleep, my bed area. I really love my bed. That is my bed area. This is my bed. Then on my bed wall I have those two frames I got from Nairobi town. Then on this, the front wall, those are the pillows that I thrifted from Think Twice. We have that hanging leaf I got from Stage Market still. All my decor plants are from Stage Market. After there we have that baby. She is baby Brill. I was gifted. That is the bag I was carrying when I was going for work. Then now we come back to my closet space. Extra water storage container. That plant is from Stage Market. Then we have the bag that I was telling you. I store my innerwears there. Then my suitcases. That is my suitcases. And back to the main door. See the way this house is small, but it is. I really like it. When cleaning, it doesn't give me a lot of time. doesn't give me a lot of work, so it takes a little time. Then down here we have this kamat, this one, this mat. I got it from Mwatate. Then now that is me. That is me. Hi, how are you doing? Love you all. Now that is my house. So let me give you an overview of everything in this house. Here I'm standing at the main door. That's why you are able to see the window, the kitchen, and the bedside area. That is my ring light. There's the mirror. This is my nails. Then now this side is the closet area. So we do shower from outside, washing utensils from outside. Yeah, I really love my space. So if you watched until this point, kindly consider subscribing. Consider subscribing, please. Give me support. As I was saying, support a girl. A girl, support a girl. Support me, please. So I'm done with the house tour. Don't forget to like this video, share to your friends who are interested in such kind of videos, like how you can arrange your single room. Love you all. Bye bye. Till next time. Subscribe, please. Don't forget to like. Thank you for watching until this point. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your support. You don't know how happy I am when I even see one view or even one subscriber. That I'm so grateful. By the way, being a YouTuber, you create a community that you interact with. I'm so happy. So we're on the road to 400 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, kindly click that notification bell and that subscribe button, so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be among the first people to watch. And thank you so much. Thank you. Till next time. Bye bye.